Hi, Richard from YourLink again. Today I want to talk about some changes in Google that more people are asking me about, which is to do with AI mode. Traditional Google has kind of been you put in your question, you get a whole bunch of links and websites that you'd work your way through to find the best result. AI mode works a bit differently. It's a bit more conversational and it will pull together a range of sources and information into getting the best result for your question. It can work really well when you're trying to understand a concept or need an explanation about something. So, for example, if you're going to try and understand the difference between Apple Pay and Google Pay, instead of asking, what is Apple Pay and Google Pay, or what's the difference between Apple Pay and Google Pay, you might ask it to explain the difference between Apple Pay and Google Pay and explain it in a simple way. It can be really good for that kind of understanding. Obviously, with any AI tools and any of these online things, we want to consider some privacy aspects. So just remember, don't upload anything personal, don't put your bank statements, identity documents, any of that kind of stuff. Use it in a general sense to start off with. AI can be factually incorrect, so just always double check it. Use it maybe as a starting point, but not necessarily as the final decision point, particularly if you're using it as a information kind of gathering for health, legal, financial kind of aspects. Always double check those. But to start, a great way to start is something that's a bit more everyday. So whether it's recipes, whether it's actually trying to problem solve or understand technology terms, I think it's an excellent way to problem solve a technology or app issue you might have. It can give you a really good step-by-step instruction. So kind of using it as a user guide, but explaining it to you in a simple way, maybe translating it if that's something important, or getting ideas as well can be a really good source for that. As always, it's always great just to kind of start in a really safe way, something really practical, not putting anything private, but exploring it as an assistant, a digital assistant. Hope it helps.